Let's make a rosemary and rice water hairspray for a fraction of the cost. You probably have these two ingredients right in your pantry. Let's get started, y'all. Yeah. All right, guys, it has been a little over 10 minutes, and here is my treatment. As you can see, the rice has increased in size. If you've been here for a while, you know I am not wasteful, so I won't be throwing this away. I'm going to use this to make a hero max. The rice is loaded with protein. So if you want to make a quick protein hero max, you can use this after you strain it. All right. So I'm going to turn this off and allow my treatment to cool down before straining the treatment. So let's give this a couple of minutes to cool down. All right, family. So before I apply this treatment to my hair or my girl's hair, I'm going to be adding two more oils. And the first oil I have here is my lavender oil. I'm going to be putting about 20 drops into this. The next oil here is my vitamin E oil. I have just a little bit of vitamin E oil, so I'm just going to use all of it. Just about a spoonful. I'm going to stir it up. This is how the treatment looks. Very effective for hair growth. We have rosemary here and rice. All right, and then the last two ingredients that I just added. All of these are very powerful ingredients for hair growth. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in my applicator bottle. I am forgetting my funnel. So I need to get the funnel. That way it is easy to put in the bottle. All right, y'all. This is my daughter Vanessa. She has been rocking these mini twists for how many weeks? No, a week. Not weeks, but for 1 week, right? She has been rocking these mini twists, and I'm going to be applying the treatment to her hair. So with this treatment, you don't have to wash it out. You can leave it on because this is not uh, fragmented rice water. This is just the rice water and the rosemary, all right? Rice and rosemary water, I should say. So you don't have to wash this out. You can use this every day. As you can see, I'm more concerned about her scalp first before I apply it on the actual hair. Now I'm just going in with my fingers to massage her scalp. All right, family. So this is how I care for my kids here. I also have my oldest daughter here to do. I didn't want to bug you guys with all the things that I do. So yeah, this is the same application I'm going to be doing on my oldest daughter's hair. So yeah, thank you all again for stopping by today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, if you haven't smashed that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that subscribe button